Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another hair collab video, and today I collabed with Megalookhair. So if you would like to see how I got this easy look, then keep watching. Y'all, I did not bleach this lace. This lace also came with a band inside, but I did not bleach the lace. I didn't do too much plucking. I just really used makeup and the techniques that I learned, but I did not bleach it. I know y'all be asking me a lot, do you bleach your lace? Do you bleach your lace? I do usually bleach my laces, but for this wig, I didn't. I just installed it right out of the box. This is the final look, y'all. This is how my hair turned out in the crimps. I really do like this hairstyle. I really do love it. This is a collab with Megalookhair. Everything that you need to know will be in the description box, as well as my discount code. So if y'all like this hair and want to go shop, you could get money off, sis, cause period. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat if you already have it. Don't forget to tell a friend about my channel, and don't forget to go watch the rest of my videos if you already have it. Also, the crimps that I used are Revlon, I believe, and they are from Walmart. They were only like $27.